Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft crash on startup on Windows 10 or 11, right? So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system, your GPU and your Java drivers is fully updated. And to do so, first on search, you just need to write here, check for updates here, and then press check for updates button, and if there is an update for your operating system that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA GPU, so there is an app called GeForce Experience, but if you're using AMD, I believe there is a separate app to that as well. Then you need to go to drivers, check for updates, and install the latest drivers on your GPU, and then go to home, then go to Minecraft, press this little cog icon here, and then make sure that your Minecraft running on the maximum quality, right? And after that, another thing that you can do here, you need to on search write configure Java, and on this you need to press update and update to the latest version here as well. Right, and still if you're having problems with it, the next thing that you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and end all the tasks related to overlay. So Steam uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay, Discord uses overlay, and sometimes it can cause the problem. So just disable Discord, Steam, and all the apps that uses overlay, and overall all the apps that you don't use while playing the game. So for example, if you don't use browsers or something like that, you can definitely just turn that off. Mouse and key apps like Razer or others, but make sure basically to disable those apps that you really know that don't crash your computer, right? And after that, you need to then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to go allow an app or feature, then change settings, and then click on one of the tasks here and press key M. And then you need to look Minecraft. And here, as you can see here, there is Minecraft. Make sure that this option is selected as well as these two. So it will allow to basically use Minecraft through Windows Defender Firewall. And sometimes, basically when you run the game for the first time, they will ask you to, if you really allowed to app to this Windows Defender Firewall through Windows Defender Firewall. And sometimes a lot of people press no and after that they have crashing problems. So make sure to allow Minecraft through Windows Defender Firewall. And after that, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to Minecraft Launcher and then right click on it, and then here it should be open file location. For me, I'm running Windows version of Minecraft Launcher, so I just need to go to app settings. Then you need to press repair and reset, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you're running Minecraft not from Windows Store, then you need to go to disk C, look for Minecraft Launcher, and then for me is this one. And then you need to right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, and then press change DPI settings, and also basically use this option as well here and apply the changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to press Windows Anaki, and then you need to write here %temp, and then from here you can delete all the files. It's just cache files that you can then delete. And don't worry if some of the files, as you can see here, you're getting error by deleting them, so just leave them there. And after that, you just need to press Windows Anaki again. Then here you need to write app data, %app data %. Then the first option will be Minecraft. then what you need to do here, make sure that you back up your saves, so your worlds that you're having, and then you just need to just copy somewhere saved your saved worlds. And then what you need to do here is to delete Minecraft folder here. And after you do so, then open up Minecraft launcher, run the game, and then Minecraft will install all the files that you need to play the game. And after you do so, then in saves folder, just copy your worlds here, right, in the saves folder. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.